have chosen the Operation Calculator for Children as our project. What is Operation Calculator for Children? It is one of the application that using Easy60xK, and it has special features which is children friendly, and it can create positive attitudes toward mathematics for children to develop their mathematical abilities. The main idea behind this project is the children's mathematical needs now differ greatly from those of their parents because of modernizations. Also, parents who understand the reason for changes and instruction and assessment will be better able to support their children to emphasizing basic arithmetic abilities since it is important.
Hi, I will talk about the benefit of using this calculator. First, it will enhance the key mathematical concept for the children itself. Second, it will help the children with the mathematical issue or mathematical activities. For example, if they have a problem with mathematical homework, they can use this calculator to get the solution or to get the problems solved. And lastly, it can assisting the children to becoming more confident and enjoy doing math. So they will never stress when doing their homework, and they can make the mathematics is subject that is fun, and maybe they can get an A in their exam itself.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Shah, and I will be explaining on the coding that I use for this project. So in the loop section, the instruction JSR get char called a subroutine labeled get char, which prompts the user for input. After the input is received, the program branch to another subroutine labeled check choice using the instruction BRA check choice. BRA stands for branch always. It simply branches to the specific label. In this case, it goes to check choice subroutine. In the get char subroutine, the instruction RTS stands for return for subroutine, which is used to return control back to the main program. Trap instruction is used to initiate a system call to handle specific service. It's transferred the control to the specific location in memory where service routine is located. This subroutine labeled get char prompts the user for input by displaying a message asking the user to input a character using system call for input-output operation. It then read the input and store it in the default registers and return control back to the main program. In the get number subroutine, it prompts the user for input by displaying two messages asking the user to input two numbers using system call for input-output operation. It then read the input and then store them in D2 and D3 register and return control back to the main program. In the check choice subroutine, it compares the input received from the user to predefined value and branches to the corresponding function, such as add function, subfunction, multi function, and division function. If the input matches one of the predefined values, if it not match any of the predefined values, the program branches to the subroutine labeled invalid input, which display an error message and prompt the user for input again. If the input is 0, it ends the program. So in the system function, I mean like the addition, the division, the multiplication and division, the subroutine get two numbers from the users, and then they will do the process which is between addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and then they will display the result and the branches will back to the main program loop. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so today I'm going to explain about my part, which is flowchart.
Okay, for my project, okay, to start the program, we need to run the simulation. So we need to choose any process that we want, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, for the first process, which is addition process, we need to press alphabet A. We can and the screen will appear, enter the first number, enter the second number. So we can choose any number that we want. Okay, after that, the screen will appear the result, the answer of the addition process. So for the subtraction process, it is the same with the addition process, but we need to press the alphabet S, and then we can enter any number that we want, and then the screen will appear the result. For the next step, which is multiplication. For the multiplication, we need to press the alphabet M, multiplication M, and then we can put any numbers, and then same, the answer will show, the answer will appear at the screen. And lastly, for the division is we need to press the alphabet D. And then we can put any number like the same process before, any number that we want, and then the screen will appear the answer. That's all from me. Thank you.